Hello everyone, hope all are doing well. Do you know one thing? There are about 3.5 billion people in the world searching in Google every day, and most of us, including me, we do not know how to do the effective Google search. Actually, Google provides around 52 different Google search operators which we can use effectively. Here in this video, we will talk about, I have selected 10 of the best Google search operators which we can use effectively in our daily use. So if you stay until the last, you will get special extra two more Google operators, which is a secret. Thank you. Welcome back, my dear friends. Here I made a small presentation for you regarding Google search operators. First of all, let us discuss what's Google search operators. Why do we need them? These Google search operators are special characters, symbols, or commands that provides you with your specific requirement in the whole internet world. All right. Our first command, it's not exactly a command, it's a double quotation mark. Whatever we are writing inside this double quotation mark, the exact phrases inside will be searched in Google in the same order. Like in our example, we have Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's name. Let us copy this name and put it in Google to find out what's exactly coming up. So here we can see in the contents, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is repeated in all the comments. So this can be very useful sometimes, especially when you want to look for some specific phrases and search for that, you will get it exactly the same. All right. The next search operators are or and. The or such operators, it will give you the results like X or Y mainly. Like we can search here in an example like Ronaldo or Messi, and let us see what are the results coming up. When we search Ronaldo and Messi, we can see here it's coming up like Cristiano Ronaldo's the Wikipedia main page, and the next one is Messi's page. So these operators are mainly used either of this. So the maximum results will come either of this. Either Ronaldo's name will come in one of this one, or Messi's name will come. It can come both because these operators can either of. If Ronaldo is there, then it will be accepting as the search result is positive. So Messi also can become in between. So this operators are normally used to combine with another search operators, which I will tell you later. That will give you the best results. Like and operator, if you put here Ronaldo and Messi, the results will come exactly with both their names. See Messi, Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldo. All the places we can see Messi, Ronaldo. So that's the difference between this or and operators. All right, the next operator is minus or plus search. If you want to omit some particular word from our total search, we can put a minus operator that will exclude that words. And if you put plus operator, that will include the words. Let us type a word like we want to know about everything about Apple, but we don't want iPhone information. So let us search for it. See, we can see here Apple, all the informations about Apple will come, but iPhone will not be in the content or in the title. If you put here plus iPhone, the contents will be for Apple iPhone only. See here, everywhere Apple iPhone only. So that's about plus or minus search. Okay, now let's go to the next time. This is one of the most important command especially for the students and teachers and those who want to present something, so they can download the things in a particular format like a PDF, docs, text, PPT, etc., etc. There are so many formats we can download. So we need to use file type in such a way. After the file type, we should put this colon PDF or colon docs. So like in this example, I want to search for bedtime stories. The file type should be PDF. Let's see. Let's copy this. I can find out here the web bedtime stories for children in PDF format. See, wherever we search here, all we can see it's PDF format. So that's about file type. It's very important for students. Please check this. All right, now the next one, we will go to sites. We want to know an information about a particular site, that site only. All right, this can be combined. All these operators can be combined with another operator for a better use. Now let us see. Let us combine with this quotation mark, double quotation mark operator with site. So we want the information from BBC about our Narendra Modi ji. So let's type this one in our Google and let's see what are the informations coming up. See, in bbc.com, see, all those places are from bbc.com. So we have here Narendra Modi, BBC News, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi scares millions of social followers, etc., etc. So we can get those particular result from a particular site. Okay, so we will go to the next one, intitle. Intitle is to find pages with a certain word or words in the title. As I told you, in the title and contents, there are difference. So let us search particular word in title Apple. Let's copy this. Okay, when we search like in title that particular word, the title means the heading, the subject portion, it will be there, Apple, INC, Apple, everywhere Apple in the title we can see. So we can also use like in title Apple iPhone. So a particular phrase will come in the title. Let's see, in title Apple iPhone. That's the exact phrases will be coming in the title. See, Apple iPhone, Apple iPhone, Apple iPhone, all the places in the title Apple iPhone is there. So that's how we use in title. It can be combined with other operators for a better results. The next one is in URL. Find pages with a certain word in the URL. So let us see the example. In URL, we need Apple in the URL. Or let us see Apple in the URL with in title MacBook. This means in the head, in the title, the MacBook will be there, and in the URL, Apple should be there. So let's together with, we will search for the results. 1 second, I'm not a robot. Yes. All right. So here in the title, we can see MacBook because we put in title MacBook. See all the title MacBook. But in URL, we can see apple.com, 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 all Apple. So URL will be there in URL from Apple and the title will be MacBook. So we can combine more things, more operators together for a better specific results. Let's go for the next one. In text, in the text, that's the meaning. Find pages containing a certain word somewhere in the content. Example, in text, if you put in text a particular word, in the bracket we can put this exact phrases will be searched. In text, we need motivational books and we need it in the particular site of the Hindu. So the very specific results will come. The site, all the sites what we are getting, it should be from the hindu.com, and in the text, it should be exactly motivation books. Let us see for the right result. Okay. All the information from the hindu.com, whatever we are getting from the site of the hindu.com, and inside we can see motivation books. Here motivation books, here also motivation books. So see, the results are only 3. So for the very specific results, we can use this combination. Okay. Number 9, in. To convert one unit into another unit. It's work with currencies, weights, temperatures, and so many other units. Like here we can search 10 inches in centimeter. Exactly how many centimeters there in 10 inches? Let's see. It will give you the exact rate, 25.4 centimeters. It can be combined with other operators as well. All right, now we go for our last command, that's language. I like to know about some bedtime stories in Malayalam language. Let's search for that. So I can just give it to my children and they can enjoy with it. All right, oh my God, that's beautiful Malayalam. Bedtime stories are coming up. That's nice. Wow. Let's check this one. After this one, let's skip. That's beautiful. That's nice. That's really cool. All right, we go for the next one. Oh, I told you I'll give you some 2 special cool tips after finishing this all videos. These are the cool tips. Now see this particular symbol. You see, if you use this symbol, we can find the missing words. See, oh, some proverb, something, anything in a particular song, we miss some words in between, so we can find out what was that. Rolling stone, something, 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 moss. There is some proverb like that. Okay, let's search for it. I know about rolling stones. All right, and I know about moss. I don't know what is happening in between. There is something I'm missing. Let's see. The answer is a rolling stone gathers no moss. That's great. We can find like these results. It's very cool. And the next one, all right, we can find a search for any particular time period in Google. This is really cool. This is not a command, but we can search Google for a particular period of time. Let's see how we do this. Okay, let's write iPhone. All right, all the iPhone informations will come, but we need the last 1 month, the information about iPhone, which is coming up in the last 1 month. See here in the tools, we will search here, see anytime. We will see for the last 1 month, past month. So all the informations here, see 16 hours ago, 1 day ago, 11 hours ago, Wikipedia is updated already 11 hours ago. See, all these informations will come within this month. So this is very cool. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all about today's session. See you in another video. Thanks a lot.